Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen pin on LEDGER Stax. To change the lock screen pin, click on Settings in bottom left corner, click on Change Pin, then enter your current pin, approve, and now choose a new pin. Then approve it. The pin, by the way, can be from 4 up to 8 letters, symbols, digits. Now the pin is changed, and that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.